In this blog, I will talk about the 5 that I consider most important values. The first value, love is love. Love is one of the most important values. Love is a moral feeling as it induces you to act well in your life and with the people we love. In addition, it leads you to have a life full of peace, tranquility and joy, and consequently of well-being with yourselves. The second value is respect. Respect does not mean that we have to agree. You have to agree in all areas with other people, as long as these people are not discriminated against of offense because of their lifestyle or their decision making, as long as these people are not separating to others. We must learn to be tolerant since not all people think the same as you. Respect for different ideas, religions, opinions, and ways of being help you to have a healthy conceit. The third value is responsibility. Responsibility is important because it's always the human being to decide or reasonably assume the action. It always then to organize thoughts when making a decision. It makes each person are so that they can take care of the symbols in their social environment. The fourth value is punctuality. Benefits the value punctuality. Punctuality increases your self-confidence. Being punctual develops and demonstrates discipline. Is know that you are truly professional. Being punctual means that are you organized. Punctuality says that you are a trustworthy person. Being punctual shows that you respect others. And other benefit punctual provides are relationships. And being punctual will help you seize opportunities. Being punctual will make you more productive. Being other benefit, being punctual can help you get ahead. The third value is honesty. Honesty is fundamental condition for human relationships, for friendships and authentic community life. Honesty respects life is characterized by truth, sincerity, and openness, and expresses the willingness to live in the life of truth. The different values is important for my life and for others' lives.